how to find two-factor authentication on Squarespace. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find two-factor authentication on Squarespace. First open your browser and then click account settings. Now click here account and security and then click two-factor authentication, and that's it. Now you can select authentication app or text message, and that's how to manage it. It's easy, and you can turn it off or on whenever you want. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.